Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will share two methods by using which you can connect your laptop with the internet if there is no internet line nearest to your home. Then you can enjoy internet by using the mobile hotspot. So before starting the video, I just want to say one thing: please subscribe my channel, like and share the video, and if you want to ask any questions you can ask below in the comment section. So without wasting time, start the video. So here is the mobile, you can see. Now let's active the hotspot. So here is the mobile hotspot, you can see. Turn it on. So it requires SIM card. Let insert the SIM card first. Now you can see the mobile hotspot is on. Click on it. Here is the password. Connect to the Android by entering this password. But if I want to change this password, I need to click on it, or here configure hotspot. On password you can type anything, any easy number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and save. Now you can see the password has been changed, and this simple password. Now I will enter into my laptop to connect this network. SSID, you can see Android AP. Now on my laptop screen there is a pairing. Connect to this network. Close. Forget this network and again connect. Now enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes. My laptop is now connected to the internet, but to a limited internet is limited in this phone, so not matter. Here you can see my laptop is connected. Now I will tell you about the second method. If your hotspot is not working correctly, or not working in any conditions, you can use the USB cable wire, data cable. In other words, you can say it data cable. You can use this cable to connect to the internet. Now let's do it. Insert this cable into the laptop, and from here insert to the phone. भैन जी मक्खियां बड़ियां सतांदियां नहीं इत्थै Now I will tell you the second method. If your hotspot is not working accurately or is not working properly, you can use the second method to connect your laptop and enjoy internet. For this method you need a USB data cable. From one side you have to insert this cable into your computer board, and the second you have to connect to the mobile. Now after connecting, go to the mobile screen and go to the hotspot setting. Here you can see, click on it, and here you can see USB threading options. It is working. As you will put out the USB cable, it will vanish. It will not work by clicking, useless. But as you will insert the cable, it will automatically be highlighted, and now you have just simply click on it to connect. On the laptop screen you can see align connection is connected. Network 14 limited. So this is the second useful trick to connect your computer with the internet, and you can enjoy almost high speed. But if you have the latest handset, you can enjoy almost maximum speed onto your region. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share the video, and if you want to ask any question you can ask below in the comment section. Thanks.